In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a mega menu in Shopify. A mega menu is that large multi-column drop-down you often see under a main navigation item like Shop or Collections. It's a great way to organize lots of products or categories so customers can quickly find what they're looking for. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the section called Content. Click that, and it will expand to show more options. From there, select Menus. This is where all of your navigation menus live. You'll now see a list of menus for your store. Find your main navigation, usually called Main Menu, and click it. We're going to create the top-level menu item and then the child items that will appear inside the mega menu. Click Add Menu Item to create a new top-level item. For example, you might call it Shop. In the link field below, click into the box to open your linking options, then choose to link it to Collections or whatever main destination makes sense for your store. Once you've set the label and link, click the check icon on the right to confirm and add it. Next, we'll add the child items that will appear inside the mega menu. Click Add Menu Item again. This time, give it a more specific label, like Fall, and link it to your Fall collection. Again, click the check icon to save that item. Repeat this for all the child items you want to include, such as other seasonal collections or product categories. Now you need to nest these child items under the main Shop item. Hover your mouse over the two vertical dots on the left of a child menu item. Click and drag it directly underneath the Shop item, then move it slightly to the right until you see an indented blue line. Drop it there, and it will become a child of that top-level item. Do the same for all other child items you've created. When you're done organizing, click Save, either at the bottom right or at the top near the search bar. With the menu structure ready, it's time to turn it into a mega menu on your storefront. Go back to the left panel in your Shopify admin and click Online Store. You'll see a list of themes with your current theme at the top. Click Edit Theme for your active theme to open the theme editor. Inside the theme editor, look at the left panel again and select the header section. This is where you control your main navigation. Next to Menu, open the drop-down and make sure your main menu is selected, the one you just edited. Now find the menu type option. Click the drop-down and choose Mega Menu. This tells your theme to display the nested items in that large multi-column layout. Look over to the live preview on the right. Hover over or click your top-level menu item, like Shop. You should now see a large drop-down appear, with your child items arranged nicely. If you have many child items, they will display in multiple columns, making everything easier to scan. Once you're happy with how it looks, click Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. Your mega menu is now live on your Shopify store, giving your customers a clearer, more organized way to browse your products.